What's up, guys? Mike, NRG Creative. Beautiful day out here in the water. I'm going to show you some video from this rear flag mount. And as you can see here, I've got the Game Changer side mount, probably my favorite mount for 360 cameras. That's going to be recording the flag action and everything else. So, without saying much more, let's get to some serious riding out here. It's going to be a fun day. All right, guys, so that was a nice little run there with the American flag. Speeds upwards, almost 70 miles an hour, 68. GPS on the 360. Well, we'll see if that was working when we get back into the editing. But anyway, I want to go over this mountain a little bit before I switch flags. I'll tell you about that in just a second. But let's go over this mount here. And as you can see, now I am running my cooler just so I can show you guys that you can run a cooler with it. But you don't have to. And if you look in the videos there's points where you can see that this flag never contacts the cooler. So the cooler is not giving it any support whatsoever. It's just that mount, it's just that strong. So take a look at this. Let me explain a little bit about it. All right, so as you can see, it is the bolt-on one. Goes all the way through. Now this mount will be coming with new bolts for you. They're a little bit longer because this is a little bit thicker for strength. So the bolts will be included in here, and you will need a metric 4mm. It's either, no, I think it's, yeah, it's a 4mm hex head to put those in. Fits nice and snug. Remember, you've got those nut certs in your hull. Don't over tighten. It's just good and snug is all you need. But you can see there, this is actually a two-piece mount. It comes fully assembled, all stainless steel hardware, so you don't have to worry about it rusting. And then go over on this side, and you can see you've got the extra big thumb screw here. So your flagpole actually goes down inside your hull. I recommend this flagpole all the way, by the way. It sits down in there, and then you just snug this up. Again, you don't have to crank down on this just till it makes good contact and it's not going to wiggle out, because when this mount, or when this flag is in that mount, just the force of you going forward, and it's going to keep tension on that inside the hole. The only thing that thumb screw is good for is to just snug it up so you stop the upward draft, the upward lift, just aerodynamics. So you don't have to have it very tight, just good and snug. You want to make sure that that thumb screw is not going to wiggle out with vibration, so you don't crank it down. If you crank it down, you're going to pull that nut cert out of there, and at that point you're going to need a new mount. So guys, just take it easy with them. They can handle pretty much everything. You can also notice there that there are no tethers on here whatsoever. So I don't discourage the use of tethers. I know a lot of the other guys' mounts out there absolutely need them or they'll break. This one doesn't need it, but by all means, you know, I'm a guy that likes to be sure of things also. So if you feel the need for a tether, by all means put a tether on there, but there's not one available from me. You can come up with your own system. Anyway guys, yeah, this mount here is, like I said, it's a two-piece mount. You do have the options on the website to do the base and the top piece, the little triangle there, in different colors if you'd like, or they can come the same color. The options there to put, when it choose the top, say same as the base. But everything today has been filmed, videoed, we don't say film anymore, by my Game Changer side mount. This is probably, not probably, I would say definitely my favorite mount for videoing, 360 video. This would be my second favorite because this one just doesn't, it's been through a very extreme waves and testing, never fails. So if you're looking for good video, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the angled rear mount that I have that puts it at a 30-degree angle, but unless you're riding with buddies, if you're out by yourself like I am 99% of the time, unless you're riding with buddies or have somebody like you're towing a tube or something like that, that's all you're gonna see is either behind you or your ass. That's it. So this one here, you get really good video all around. And if you just want to take a picture of your face like this front one gives you a fantastic view and the perfect height to show the ski, the water behind you, and you driving it. So there's my opinions on those. Those are listed on the website as well. But this flag mount is untouchable. Anyway, but this is just for a flag. Now I wanted to pretty much go through the paces with the flags. I am going to be making the identical mount with a screw in the bottom, stainless steel, where you can use a selfie stick. The selfie stick will be straight up and down at a vertical, or a 90-degree angle here instead of angled back. So if that's something that you're interested in, that will be available. It's not on the website yet. I haven't put it into production, but it will be coming. Right now, this is only a flag. And typically that's what I want on the back because, like I said, I take my video from the side and the front. It's just, you come up with the better shots. That angled mount in the back, like I said, is great if you're running in a pack and you want to get everybody else behind you, or if you're pulling a tube or something like that. But if you're out by yourself, you're going to see your ass, the back of you, back of your head. That's it. So that's my video of choice right there. Guys, that is awesome. One quick thing about that one does come, you can use the fat 36mm stick like I'm using, or you can use a smaller one. It comes with a reducer. Talk to you next time, guys. I'm gonna get back out on this water. It is absolutely gorgeous. You guys up north, hey, sometime soon you'll be out there, but we're out here now. NRG Creative, talk to you next time.